This is a really cool tool. A small package, but packs a big punch. Let's just open up all of the features and take a look here. There's a flat Phillips head screwdriver, a file and a flat head screwdriver. And on the other side, we have a knife, quite sharp, I might add. And also a bottle opener, can opener. Some people use it as a box opener. Fully equipped for a small keychain tool. This is the Next Tool brand. I found this model on Amazon. I'm not an affiliate. I don't have a link to share with you. The name of the model is Mini Flagship. Next Tool Mini Flagship. The appeal to me were these large, spring-loaded scissors. And I'm thinking this is the sleeper bonsai tool that I never knew that I needed. Those scissors are large, ergonomically friendly, easy to handle, quite stout. And then on the other side, we have a pair of pliers, also spring-loaded, and also a wire cutter. I wonder if that thing will actually cut our aluminum wire for styling a bonsai tree. Oh, without much trouble it will, yes indeed. Okay, so this thing is checking out. It looked good in the advertisement. I did a couple of YouTube reviews, and everyone that handled it and demoed it decided that it was well made, well crafted, and a special value in comparison to many of the other multi-tools. This thing comes in at under $30. I think it's actually a little less than $25. Fits in the palm of your hand, about 3 inches, a little over 3 inches long, not quite 2 inches wide. Now I'm cutting a sturdy envelope like butter. I mean, this is a very sharp set of scissors. You can see here, it's an insulated envelope. And it also does a little bit of precision cutting. I love the spring-loaded handle. I think I am going to enjoy using this tool. Here we go, bending some aluminum wire. No problem. I think those pliers will also be great for making gin on a bonsai tree. All of these things made me think this is going to be a fantastic bonsai multi-tool. I'm going to have to try and style a tree using just one tool. A one-tool bonsai repotting and styling, and that's going to be the tool. I may have to use the tripod. I may do a tripod bonsai repotting using only the Next Tool Mini Flagship. I'm going to put some thought into that and leave you with some cool music while you watch this video. I hope you enjoy it. I look forward to seeing you again really soon. In the meantime, why don't you hit the like button and consider subscribing to Budget Bonsai YouTube channel.